chapters 1 through 5 reflection video. The first biggest takeaway I got from chapter 1 is public speaking skills gives people a lot of powers. It empowers us to speak freely about the politics, about the government, about politician. It can communicate our ideas and help us achieve goals. The second biggest takeaway I got from chapter 1 is knowing the rhetorical situation is crucial. By knowing the rhetorical situation, you know your audience, know your purpose of your goal, so you can be prepared for it. The first biggest takeaway I got from chapter 2 is knowing techniques to reduce anxiety issues like visualization, relaxing exercise, taking deep breaths, practice out loud so you can be prepared for it, and dress good, look good so you can have confidence. The second biggest takeaway I got from chapter 2 is there's 6 steps in order to produce an effective speech. First step is identify your goal. Second step is knowing your audience. Third step is gather information about your topic. Fourth step is put the information in the outline so you know which is your speech. Fifth step is have visual aids so your audience can see you. And last but not least is practice, practice, practice. The first biggest takeaway I got from chapter 3 is doing constructive critic statements. Can help you improve your speech. You can comment on where you did good, you can do bad, analyze yourself, and so you can improve your speech skills. The second biggest takeaway I got from chapter 3 is you have to be mentally and physically prepared in order to be an effective listener. What I mean is take notes during the speech, ask questions during the speech so you can be a good listener and remember the information. The first biggest takeaway I got from chapter 4 is knowing the audience. By knowing the audience, you can know their interests, so you can get connected to the heart. You can take surveys about the audience, observe the audience to know your audience. The second biggest takeaway I got from chapter 4 is writing speech goals, statements is crucial because it helps identify your purpose and the goal of your speech. So you know what do you want your audience to get out of the speech. On to chapter 5. The first biggest takeaway I got from chapter 5 is use pronouns we, us in speech to establish common ground with the audience or tell a personal story in order to establish common ground so you have interest in your audience, keep your audience interested in interaction with the audience. The second biggest takeaway I got chapter 5 is have a knowledge of your topic. So in order to gain trust for your audience, if you have knowledge about your topic, you know what you're talking about, the audience will listen to you, and you can deliver an effective speech. Thank you.